What kind of era that inspires the great dream of industrial dedication to the country? What kind of craftsmanship, embodying the extraordinary power of industrial upgrading? We are Henan Purui Precision Machinery Company Limited, dedicated to becoming experts in the field of lifting equipment components. For over a decade, united in heart and effort, we pay tribute to our original intentions with ingenuity, rapidly growing into a key domestic manufacturing base for mechanical processing components. Today, Purui has built a complete system of sales, research and development, manufacturing, and services for mechanical components and assemblies such as reducers, wheel sets, hook assemblies, drum assemblies, and couplings. To enhance quality and efficiency in the high-end manufacturing sector and consistently provide customers with comprehensive solutions. Cast heavy, lift up, connect the world, explore the sky. We are continually striving and breaking through in the fields of industrial cranes, port cranes, and engineering cranes, injecting momentum into various sectors such as metallurgy, mining, chemical industry, marine engineering, power, aerospace, and more fields. By advancing digitization and informatization, establishing intelligent manufacturing platforms, enhancing product lifecycle and quality control capabilities, by accelerating the intelligent and automated transformation of manufacturing processes, introducing high-end, high-precision intelligent manufacturing lines, enhancing product quality stability, through state-of-the-art inspection equipment and testing facilities, realizing full process control of products, continuing the heritage of craftsmanship. By vigorously promoting green and low-carbon manufacturing modes, introducing lean concepts, continuously researching and developing environmentally friendly products. We have established an outstanding R&D team, using postdoctoral research stations as a bond to inspire innovation, continuously strengthening deep cooperation with universities and institutes, creating national-level inspection and testing centers, provincial-level enterprise technology centers, and industrial design centers, promoting the transfer of scientific and technological achievements and industrial advancement. We hold over 100 patents for inventions and utility models, obtained the IAT F16949 Automotive Industry Quality Management Certification, accredited by TÜV Rheinland in Germany. We always walk hand in hand with our partners, growing together and sharing achievements, providing quality services to our customers. The company has successively been recognized as a national-level high-tech enterprise, national-level specialized and new little giant, national-level green factory, national intellectual property advantage enterprise, the champion enterprise of manufacturing in Henan province, and other honors, achieving authoritative recognition, industry acknowledgement, and market acceptance. Riding the One Belt and One Road initiative to expand globally, continuously achieving new milestones in the Americas, Europe, Asia, Africa, and beyond. Injecting innovative energy into the world's industries. Dedicating industry to the country, safeguarding China. Purui, interpreting smart manufacturing with patriotic sentiments. Transmitting a beautiful future with ingenuity and quality craftsmanship.